Our unique platform allows anyone to get an attorney-drafted estate plan tailored to their needs anytime, 24/7 online. Our platform is convenient, user-friendly, and highly customizable, so you can create the plan you want when you want it. Expert estate planning attorneys poured decades of experience into drafting our documents. Our software team built an easy-to-use online interview to guide you step by step through every option. Your documents are customized to your family's needs in your state using proven attorney-drafted language. You save money. Traditional attorneys cost thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. By using software and the power of the internet, we can spread the attorney cost over thousands of users. With our platform, you can have the same attorney-written estate plan for a fraction of the cost. It's simple and proven. We have eliminated the unnecessary legalese so you and your heirs can read and understand your plan without having to hire an attorney to explain it to you. Our estate plans have stood the test of time. Many client families have shared their stories of how easy it was to follow the plan created on our platform after losing a loved one. We provide secure document vaults to keep your important documents safe and easily accessible 24/7 just in case of an emergency. And with an active account, you can update your documents at any time. There's no hidden fees, change fees, or other gotcha fees. An unfunded trust is an expensive waste, subjecting your assets to a slow and public probate process. Unfortunately, most families never fund their trust because law firms leave clients on their own, or they charge hundreds of dollars per letter per asset to be funded. They have little incentive to make sure your trust is funded. Why? Because they stand to make thousands of dollars when unfunded assets have to go through probate. We believe this is a travesty, so we built the first comprehensive funding kit to guide you through funding every type of asset into your trust. We even allow you to generate unlimited funding letters at no extra charge. We made the process simple, quick, and user-friendly because we believe your plan should be complete. This is also why generations of clients keep using our platform for their estate plans. Today, you can search online and find plenty of cheap websites offering wills or trust at bargain basement prices. These are very basic document templates with limited ability to customize the document to your needs and plenty of hidden gotcha fees to add features later. Often, anyone with young children or grandchildren or children from previous relationships, special need family members, or many other common situations will either cost more or you would be referred to an attorney. We believe helping people is good business, so we never have hidden fees. Every feature and option to create your own comprehensive estate plan is included in our one low price. All the documents for your estate plan, a living trust, health care and financial power of attorneys, living will, and advance directives are all included. Plus, there's a secure document vault and trust funding guide as well. With an active account, you can keep your documents current and make unlimited changes for no additional cost. We also believe in privacy. Many companies provide free or discounted online services because they are selling your personal information. These companies are making millions selling your information, and all you get is more sales calls and spam emails. We believe your privacy is more important. We will never sell, rent, or share your information. With us, your information is always going to be secure and kept private. We have built our company on key principles: comprehensive estate plans, easy to use, honest pricing, always available, security, and privacy. Helping families is why we created this company. And our success is a testament to our commitment to these principles. This is why we are America's best choice for estate planning.